Well, we're back on this mower again. Got grass down there, taller grass, needs to be mowed. So, about time to get back on this project again. So I had borrowed the carburetor linkage off of it for that Craftsman there, which I gotta get back to work on that too. So what I gotta do is I'm gonna try to copy the linkage off of this one for the other one. Make my own, I think. That's what my plan was. I just got in a hurry, wanted to get that one running when I put that one together. I just borrowed it off of here, and it looks like my replacement primer bulb I put on is cracking already, but I bought them in a pack of 10, so poor quality, but lasted a season or two. I think the one on that one's starting to crack now too, but that's what this one did when I got it. Carburetor lasted 1 year and the primer bulb cracked, and I bought some more off eBay, but apparently those ones I bought aren't much better quality than what they came with. So we're gonna have to disassemble that and try to get this sorted out here. Made a couple gaskets. I'm going to try to do this. Probably not the best idea putting two of them together because my gasket paper's thinner stuff. It's supposed to have a thicker gasket. I did find my other spring. But the next thing I got to do on this mower is we're going to change the fuel tank out. This one here is cracked. I'm going to try to put this one there. I don't know. Well, it's the next day. Decided I'm just gonna get a new fuel tank for it. This one here ended up, I didn't realize it's actually cracked where the filler neck is there. And the fuel outlet on it is on the far side. That brings the hose like right over in here, and it'd be getting in. I might be able to loop it underneath, I don't know. Depends on how thick a hose I get. I don't even have the right size hose, because the one I'd ran on here before is on that mower. I'm just going to leave that one on there. Probably try to do some work on that. I haven't totally decided about my throttle linkage yet. But I'm going to run the originals back on this or just put the new ones I made on that one yet. I really honestly can't decide what I'm going to do yet, but I'm going to figure that out here because I'm going to get that one put back together. Because I got some videos I got to do on. Got to do some work on that and get another video out on that soon. As it already got a part 1 out there, but it needs a lot more work. And this year's not done yet either. So I've got some more plans for this. So it's going to be on this for now until I get a new fuel tank. It's just a project. And, hopefully someone's interested enough to follow along. If not, that's okay. This is what I like to do. So, get a new fuel tank, we'll get it running again, and we'll go from there. Alright, I think we've got this thing sorted out now. Got the grass chute. I ended up putting a new piece on, took the old one off, put a new piece on, angled it up so it's angled up more. Only other thing I may do is there's a gap there and it kind of sags down. I may put a little bracket here, but probably won't worry about it. It seems to work a lot better. In the dry grass, it doesn't get clogged. It kind of starts to clump up, then spits it out, but good enough. In really wet green grass, it probably would get clogged, but so we just got to give an oil change. greased all 4 wheels. I got the rope on it here. Before it was short and it was just down there. Got a fresh new rope on it all the way up here, so that's nice. Now we gotta do some mowing now. Some more mowing.